It's Vivi777. What's up? What's good? Anyway, I am going to do another wig review, and I'm going to do it with this company called Vivi Babi Hair. Now, I've never heard of this company before, but I did a little research on them, and they seem to have very nice hair. Okay, this is the box that the wig came in. This is the Vivi Babi, and I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly because I can mess up a name. Anyway, so this is a 14-inch human hair wig, and it is a wet and wavy unit. So y'all know I usually like the longer units, but I don't mind trying something different. You know, I hope I do like it. It's 100% human hair, and I'm going to give you all the specs and the good, the bad, and the ugly, the pros and the cons, you know. So everything is going to be down in the description box about this wig. They also have a sale going on, a Black Friday sale, where you can get 20% off this wig. So let me crack it open, and I'm just gonna get right on it into it. Okay, let's see how this is my first time opening the box. Okay, let's see. And as you can see inside, the wig is the first thing you see. Also, it comes with a nice little wig cap. And also there's a card in here. This card is, let's see, thank you very much for your order. Okay, and also what does it say here? Blah, 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 blah. Okay, it just tells you about how to contact them and their website and stuff like that. And they're telling you about prices and things like that. Just get in contact with them. This is the card. Okay, so let's get into the wig now. All right, like I said before, this is a 14-inch wet and wavy unit. This is how it looks coming right out the package. Okay, it's pretty short, y'all, but the hair looks so gorgeous. And I can tell you right now, it feels amazing. It is so soft. Okay, so let me show you the inside of the wig. Oh, I can tell. I like this already. Look at the cap construction. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 combs in this wig. 2 on the side, 1 on the top, and 1 on the bottom. Then it also has this adjustable strap back here. Also has lace on the bottom and a little lace on the top. So the thing I like about it is it doesn't have too much lace, and I can see that this is not going to be the kind of wig that you have to fuss over and do a lot of customizing with. You know, I'm thinking that maybe the most you have to do here is maybe pluck some hair out and put a little concealer, and of course cut the lace off. And also I neglected to tell you that it does have one of those straps that makes the wig tighter, and I like that. I really like that. And oh, this is a cute little, look at this unit, y'all. Look at the hair. Look at the hair. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna cut the lace off, and I'll probably spray it down with some water to activate the curls a little bit more. So I will be back to show you what the wig looks like. You know, sometimes I can't talk. Okay, let me just do that. Okay, so ladies, there isn't really much more to say about this unit, except for that it is an everyday unit. You don't really have to do much to it. And y'all know I don't like doing anything to wigs. I just want to pop them on. And this is one you can't just really pop on, but it's not going to take you a very long time, maybe 5 minutes. It only took me 5 minutes to pluck out this part and to just spray some water on this wig and just fluff it out, and I could be out the door. So this is what I love this wig. I really do. Okay, so what do y'all think about the wig? Let me know. And all the information about the wig will be down in the description box. And don't forget, they are having a Black Friday sale where you can get 20% off this wig and the other wigs that they have on the site. Okay, so this is just a short video because there's not really much to say about this wig except for that is gorgeous and I love it. Okay, so let me know what you think. Any questions? Put it down in the comment box. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye.